Hey guys, this is me Hassan. Welcome to my channel Hassan Academy. So in this video, I will talk about pharmaceutical chemistry. Okay, pharmaceutical chemistry for Niper Jee point of view. What to study and from where to study or how to study. I will discuss all these things and take it very much seriously. Okay, because before GPAT I made video regarding pharmaceutical chemistry, and many one take it very much casually. And after once GPAT exam has done. Those same people again send me email that sir, you told really whatever you said, it is like that only. Lot of question came and lot of basic question came, and we are not able to face it, or we are not able to find out the correct answer. So listen it very much carefully, because in Niper Jee lot of question going to ask from basic chemistry, or you can say chemistry only. Okay, so you have to very much careful about it. And one more thing I'm going to tell you here only, because I will make one more video like mark distribution for Niper Jee. Okay, like GPAT there is no any fixed mark distribution. Okay, for GPAT they have already give in their portal like everything 38 number of question they are going to ask from chemistry and Ceutics, each paper 38 number of question and all these things, everything they have given out there before only. But for Niper Jee nothing is fixed, like you have to find out either last few years question analysis, or whoever has given whoever is faced this type of exam before, they can tell you like what are the mark strategy, or how many from different portion they are going to give question and all this thing. So I'll make one more video, but this video is all about pharmaceutical chemistry. Okay, I don't know that whether I will discuss about spectroscopy and analytical chemistry in this video or not, because I'm not much prepared for this video. Just I came from library and I'm making this video because I realize it is very much important to make video. Okay, so listen it very much carefully, don't take it casually, and don't try to ignore it at least. And at the end, if you like it, you can give a like, it's up to you. Anyway, so one thing I want to clarify you, that whoever has some good basic knowledge in chemistry, they will score more mark, or they for them there is advantage, because even you have learned some good amount of chemistry in class 11 12, and if you are able to remember those things till now, it's going to help you a lot. Because many one of you thinking, or you may think like most of the question will come medicinal chemistry, or those pharmaceutical chemistry, pure pharmaceutical chemistry, but it is not like that. Okay, most of the question, that much I know, question will come from basic chemistry. Since question is going to made by Niper, this time they Niper Hyderabad they will make. So when they make this type of question like for Niper Jee, mostly they go through previous year question, or they try to analyze that what type of question they have to make. And same time, one more thing I want to say, that in any pharma college you may not get like other than pharmacy people, but in Niper you will get like whoever is teaching you chemistry, they are not pharma people, they are mostly MSc or MSc. After MSc they have done obviously PhD and postdoc and all this thing, but they are from pure chemistry background. Many once you reach their Niper, you will realize that yes, a lot of people are here who is not from pure pharmaceutical background, they are from pure science background, like that people who you will face, like biotechnology and all these things. Why I am saying all these things, because when they have to make some basic chemistry question, so they are expert in that. Okay, they have done BSc, MSc, and definitely 11 12 all these things. So they have lot of experience or knowledge regarding basic chemistry, and they make lot of basic chemistry, they give lot of question from basic chemistry. Once you go through last year question, or you face this upcoming exam, you will realize that what type of basic chemistry question they are going to ask. Okay, those are even you got in your 11 12. But the thing is, maybe you forgot lot of things, so you have to go through once again. I'm not telling that each and everything you have to learn. there is not much time also. I think 10 or 12 is your exam, so you have to go through once. So once you go through like SN1, SN2, all these differences and all these things, you have to go through very much carefully. And one more thing I want to tell here only, like don't think that question will be very much difficult or anything like that. Mostly if you have already gone through previous year question, then you may realize that question is not that much difficult, okay, because they are just giving lot of question like 200 question in 2 hours. So question is not difficult, it's not that much time taking. If you know little bit things, or if you have some concept regarding that question, you can find out very much easily. Like in your class 12 or even higher level exam like GATE and CSI NET, there are some chemistry question, like it literally takes 5 to 7 minutes, okay. You can't find out, even you good in chemistry, you are not find out that answer within 10 seconds or 5 seconds, because they are giving, suppose this is a reactant. So this here they have given one reactant, then aroma, and they have given 6 to 7 reagent, okay. So you have to one by one utilize those reagent, and at the end only you can find out the product. So you can't say that just you have seen this reactant and this is one reagent and you are able to find out the product. It's not going to happen. So this type of question you won't face in Niper Jee. These are very tricky question, or you must have very much good knowledge in chemistry, then only you can find out, like one by one reagent you can see and you can realize it, okay, this is oxidizing agent, so this may happen, okay, this is PCC, that means this any alcohol group is there, then it is going to aldehyde and all these things. So it is not like that, okay. So in Niper Jee what will happen, question will be direct. Either they are going to give you some name reaction. I'm not saying that they won't give this reagent type of question, they may give, but hardly one or two reagent it will be, like one product then two reagent. First utilize first reagent, then second once you utilize the second reagent, you will get your product. So then you just try to match your 4 option obviously will be there. So you try to find out which one is the correct one, okay. So name reaction is very much important. Go through all the name reaction. All the name reaction, it not means that sorry, not all the name reaction, whatever name reaction they are giving last 3 to 4 years, or some are extra also, you have to learn, because you can't say that all the name reaction whatever they are asking they will ask those only. 1 or 2 name reaction extra also they may add, okay. So mostly name reaction is very easy in the sense like it is already known for you, okay. Suppose some specific reagent is there for a specific name reaction, and same time that reactant, the functional group is known for you, so it is very easy to find out the product. Like if you are going to do Beer-Vinegar reaction or Beer-Vinegar oxidation basically, or even Raymond-Timan reaction, and whatever it is, you already know the things that what is going to happen. Product you already know, okay. So one more thing you do, like when you learn any reaction, no need to learn the whole mechanism, but intermediate. Try to learn what is the intermediate is produced out there, because they may ask also. It is you can't say that they won't ask intermediate, but they may ask. They are not going to ask the whole mechanism or anything like that, but they may ask intermediate sometime, because it has some specific value in chemistry. So intermediate is important, okay. So this is all about like name reaction. Name reaction you have to go through. Even apple reaction you go through apple reaction, or Canizaro, cross Canizaro, or they may give one reaction and at the end they will give 4 names, okay. So you have to know little bit about that reaction, so that you can tell that no, this is Canizaro, I am sure. It should not be like you are confused between 2 to 3 name reaction, because once you are confused it will take lot of time, okay. And be remember, in Niper Jee you have no time. If you once you have seen one reaction and you have seen name and nothing coming in your mind, that means you don't know about that, just skip, okay. Nothing to worry, just skip and go to next question. Because once I made strategy video, I said there that your strategy must be that you reach up to question number last. from 100 to 200 you have to reach, because some question are there like you can't say that it is randomly mixed. So some question may be easy, question may be at last also. Okay, so your target always to reach till last. Okay, so this is all about name reaction and what I was saying, reason and all these things. But when you learn some other things like carbocation or any aromaticity kind of things, then you just go through whatever you have notes for GPAT. Okay, don't try to make any new notes or any new book you open for Niper Jee. Don't do like that. Whatever you have notes, just go through once and try to do more revision, so that you can easily remember the things and you can find out the correct answer. If you realize that you are not able to find out this answer or you have no idea about this question, don't use your logic there, because most of the time you may waste your time, or same time you may find out the wrong answer also. So it is better skip. It is I am saying for chemistry, because if you don't know the things and you are just trying to find out one question, one answer, then it is not a good idea. So better you can skip that question and try to answer some other question. Then some other question they are going to ask from basic chemistry, like stability or like bond order, or not bond order, like bond angle and their reactivity order. Those things they may ask. Okay, there is a possibility to ask those things. Same time if you go through IR and all these things, I am just adding spectroscopical things also. They will ask mostly about some particular functional group and their wave number value. Okay, they won't ask much about instrument. I think in case of UV they may ask about instrument, but in case of not UV, mass, they may ask about instrument, but mostly for IR they won't ask more about instrument and all these things. That much I realize, or I believe that they will ask about functional group and their specific resonance value, or whatever it is, centimeter inverse, they have put that wave number value. Okay, and same one more thing, for UV you go through more kind of band. They are asking some different band or transition, pi to pi star transition or sigma to sigma star transition, which transition is taking more energy and all these things. And one formula is out there to find out lambda max. They may ask one simple one, but not one difficult one, because it may takes time. So they won't give this type of calculated things more, because they already going to put some general aptitude question for calculation. But for lambda max find out, easy one they may give, or they may skip also. Okay, but one HNMR you will get out there. So you have to know little bit about HNMR, because one or two question you will get. Even CNMR you should have very much little idea. Okay, if you have little bit idea about depth, I don't think it is there in GPAT syllabus, or I'm confused now at this time whether depth is there or not. Okay, DEPT, if it is there you just go through once, it is very easy, or if it is not there you just skip. C13 little bit you know, that is sufficient, but HNMR you should know. Okay, H1 NMR, that is very much important. And most of the question will ask from here only. Medicinal chemistry I am not going to say much, because medicinal chemistry they may they won't ask SAR and all this thing. I think I don't think they will ask much SAR and all this thing. They will give some suppose some basic moiety they can give, and they may ask about their medicine name or drug name, which drug has this moiety and all these things, like barbiturate or whatever it is. I forgot lot of things, sorry, but that kind of question they may ask. Like they have given one moiety and they are asking that below which drug is belongs to this particular moiety. Okay, so these are the few things it's really important. And one more thing that is not particularly in chemistry, but it is important to say here, because like amino acid, different amino acid you have to learn, 20 amino acid, all structure you should know, or at least you should know their particular classification. Like this amino acid is acidic amino acid or basic, whatever it is, you should know that. Okay, or if any particular aromatic amino acid, or which amino acid has indole group, this type of question they may ask. I think tryptophan maybe, or amino acid has their individual code also. Tryptophan is maybe W or whatever. like that code is there, so they may ask those things also. Okay, so I will make some more video regarding maybe mark distribution, what type of mark may come from chemistry and civics. Most of the question will come from chemistry and civics only. Chemistry, civics, ecology, this will be the this way pattern will be. Okay, don't think that pattern will be totally different or anything like that. Only 10 to 15 question will be different and other pattern will be almost same. So I will make one more video about mark distribution. And this video I have said few things about chemistry. A lot of question going to ask. Again I am telling that most of the question will be from chemistry and civics. Okay, take it seriously and try to solve it out. Even you going through some 11-12 basic chemistry, it will help you only, but don't go through the topics which we don't have in GPAT. You go through basic chemistry 11-12, but some topics we don't have in B Pharma, so those you can ignore. Okay, thank you for watching this video and keep sharing. Thank you.